Hey people! Here's another weird glitch. I've seen this before, but I just wanted to show everybody. Look at this. Look at this. I'm on top of the gun truck. And how did this happen? I'll show you. If I could get down there. Okay. Okay, how do you get up there? I'll show you. What you do is you spin dash all the way over here, but before you get here, you bounce right away. And then you bounce really high, and then you just land on top of the gun truck. I'm gonna try and give it a shot. Ah, shoot! It's hard to time it. There we go! There we go! Oh, shoot! No! One more time. Dang it. This glitch is hard, but it's fun. Ah! Come on! Dang it. Dang it. Oh, almost. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Ah! Stop going over there. I just got it before. Now I can't get it. Ah! Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Yep. Just like that. You bounce just like that and you're on top of here. Now, there's something else I want to show you. Something that might scare you. I'll show you. I'm going to go all the way back up here. Why am I going all the way back up here? You'll find out. You'll find out, and I'm not telling you. But look at this. Look at this. The road is a wall. Come on, get up there. Get up, get up, get up. See, now you can't move the camera. Another weird thing. Wait a minute. Get up there. There we go. Get up, 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 up. Get up, 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 up. Come on, get up. Up, 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 up. I'm running out of time. I'll just speed ramp up there. Or speed dash. Whoa, what the heck? Where am I going? Oh, okay. Okay. Whoa, wait, I'm going the wrong way. Okay, okay, I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Okay, here's what the big surprise is. Okay, it's coming. There it is! It's back! It's back from the dead! Don't hurt me! And there's the glitch on how to get on top of the gun truck. It's a fun glitch. Give it a shot. It's fun. And sorry if I copied anybody. I just wanted to show this to everybody. I'm sorry. But give that glitch a try. It's fun.